Meditation, contrary to the myths, that is for people who have challenges in life or people who are retiring, what I found in my personally is that meditation developed greater excellence in all walks of life. Meditation is backed with so much science. We have body, we have mind, and we have energy. According to quantum physics, everything out there is emptiness and energy. Meditation helps to experience this energy, helps to heal the body, helps to expand the mind.
My child has mild ASD, so that is where I bring in a lot of fear, and I'll be like, oh, I don't think it'll be right to take him here or there or do this or that. Even that changed. Every day the teacher steps out and she says, he's so different these days. What are you doing? I have parents walking up to me and they try to compare their children and say, your child is so different. What is it that you're doing? I said, I changed my belief.
When I joined this program, I liked so much. The main thing it helps us, I think, the Sajjan Sangati, the knowledge sharing is happening over the session. So the three things are happening continuously. People are sharing the knowledge, we are getting the knowledge from the master, and then we are going to meditation.
Generally, I used to sleep like 8 hours a day and all. But after attending that workshop, my energy levels have gone to the peak. Just like 4-5 hours sleep was good enough actually. Still, I am very active actually.
During the lockdown period, I had to actually quit my job. But then later on, I had no clue in what direction I had to move. And with the help of meditation, I could find that. And one of that was stock markets, which actually I had no idea about finance. And I started learning about it, more and more about it. And I'm really happy that I'm able to do some good contribution into that field.
What is the purpose of life? Yes, to be happy. To be happy or to be healthy also. Then, so ladies and gentlemen, the great opportunity we have come. Let us not stop just practicing all of this. Let us not stop just practicing all of this.